Today we'll create a retro pop art advertisement inspired by old comics and bold halftones. Start by duplicating your subject and applying a halftone pattern filter. Boost saturation to intense reds, yellows, and blues. Create thick black outlines using the poster edges filter. Add speech bubbles and explosive shapes like bursts and stars using custom shapes. Place bold, blocky text with exaggerated drop shadows to mimic old print misalignments. Add a subtle paper grain overlay on multiply to complete the look. The final piece feels loud, bold, and nostalgic, perfect for playful marketing or themed thumbnails.